Hey Pectus Warriors, it's Byrne from FixPectus.com. In today's video, I wanted to talk about the importance of form for pectus and if you're trying to build muscle to make your pectus less noticeable, how important it is that you're doing movements correctly. And I wanted to do this by showing you the example of a client who just sent me through a video, and he sent me the video of him doing the same exercise last week and it wasn't good. And then he's made some changes based on my feedback and it looks so much better. And he's actually engaging the chest this way, okay? And seriously, this is like for my clients, I have a premium coaching service where they will submit videos. I look through their technique, I look through their workouts. And the reason I have this feature is because I think it's important. I want to make sure my clients get a result. And I'm sure you guys have seen my client results. My training works. And one of the reasons is you're doing the right program, but also you're doing the program correctly. Okay, it's the right exercises done correctly. Okay, and technique is such an important part of this. If you have improper form, you're risking yourself to injury and also just suboptimally engaging the muscles. So Chris actually trains from home. This is my client, Chris, and he's actually now able to go to a gym. And so he had a whole bunch of new exercises on this week. And one of them was a landmine press, which he sent me through a video of him doing and said it didn't feel right. What's wrong? And I looked at it and there was a whole bunch of things wrong. And I gave him the feedback, so I'll play that video now. You can see that firstly, he has no tension in his core. It's completely inactive, and so his lower back sagging. One, this is a dangerous position to be in, and it's just very suboptimal. Two, you can see he's swinging back and forth a lot. This movement is supposed to be feeling it in your chest, and it's going to hit your anterior delts a little bit as well, your triceps a little bit as well, but mostly it's trying to, especially if done right, you're supposed to feel it in your chest. And for me, I always really felt this in my inner chest. And so seeing him do it this way, I'm sure he's not feeling it really anywhere other than maybe his lower back from swinging, maybe his triceps a little bit, his anterior delt a little bit, but there's no control. There's no mind to muscle connection. He's using momentum and the swing of leaning back to get the weight up. Also, his position's off. He's set his knees up too far away from the barbell, and so as a result, he's pressing too far out, which is making it more shoulders and anterior delt. So I said a few things to him. I said, you've got to turn your core on. You've got to move a bit closer to the barbell, so the pressing range of motion isn't just straight out, but instead it's out and up, okay? And that's part of engaging the chest on this movement. So when your core stays engaged, you slow it down, you have a mind to muscle connection, and you just keep your elbows tight as you press up and back down. It makes the movement so much more efficient. And so then next week he did the exercise and it's far more improved. His improvement is amazing, and I just wanted to show the difference in form here and how much, and use this as an example to illustrate just how much it's not just about doing the exercises, it's about how you do them. And the amount of times I have people questioning me on YouTube saying, what exercise is the best? What's this? They want the magic pill, but the reality is there's a whole bunch of factors in the program, and one of the factors that's probably more important than what exercise is how did you do the exercise. So anyway, that's just a little video, guys. I hope it was helpful, hope it was valuable. If you're interested in coaching, I do have a few spots available, so link is in the description for that. And I'll see you in the next video. Peace, guys. Bye.